To use Lloyds Odeon cinema vouchers online, start by visiting the Odeon website and selecting the film and cinema you want to book tickets for. Next, choose the date and time of the showing and the number of tickets you want to purchase. When you are ready to pay, click on the checkout button and you will be taken to the payment page. On this page, you will see a box that says enter promo code or voucher code. This is where you enter your Lloyds Odeon cinema voucher code. Enter the code exactly as it appears on your voucher, including any letters or numbers, and click the apply button. The voucher amount will then be deducted from the total cost of your tickets. If you have a Lloyds Odeon cinema voucher that is worth more than the cost of your tickets, you will not be able to use the remaining balance online. However, you can use the remaining balance at the cinema box office. It is also important to note that Lloyds Odeon cinema vouchers can only be used to purchase tickets for standard screenings and cannot be used for premium formats such as 3D or IMAX. Additionally, vouchers may not be valid for certain special events or screenings. To avoid any issues when using your voucher online, make sure to read the terms and conditions of your voucher carefully before making a booking. It is also a good idea to check the Odeon website for any restrictions or exclusions that may apply to your voucher. By following these steps and reading the terms and conditions of your voucher, you can easily use your Lloyds Odeon cinema vouchers online to book tickets for your favorite films. Remember to always check the Odeon website for any updates or changes to their voucher policy to ensure a smooth booking process.